So under both of our JKUs, every once in a while we'd see in the winter spots of washer fluid underneath them. And every once in a while we'd end up with really empty reservoirs. Like right now, this one's relatively empty. And what would happen is the washer fluid pump, so that washer fluid pump has a little grommet that allows the fluid to leak out. We checked this one cold day in a parking lot, and that whole area is just saturated in washer fluid. Now it's super dry. So now on mine, it was outside, so it's really cold out there. The washer fluid level is pretty much drained out. There's not much left. And it's going to be a little tougher on this one because of the relocated vacuum pump. Let's see if I can get it to focus at the right spot. There's a lot of moisture down there. So clearly the washer fluid was leaking out at that location, but I'll be changing this one as well. So now I'm going to unclip the pump. That was pretty easy, literally just press down and pull up. This is a Pentastar V6. If you have the older 3.8, there may be connectors here that you'll have to unplug to get clear access. And just by looking at it, it looks like just putting there, pop it out, and then pull it out. Whoop. So it turned out I had more washer fluid than I left, so I threw a drain pan underneath the vehicle to catch whatever's going to come out of it now. So now that we have a drain pan below, whatever leaks out, leaks out. Not a big deal. And here we see the culprit. So here we can tell the difference pretty easily in the two, the stock one and this is actually a BMW part. I'll put the part number in the video and in the description so it's easy to find. It cost me like $10 Canadian from a dealer. It cost me more in shipping than anything else. So the rubber will cope better with temperature changes. Quickly lube it up a little bit so that when I push it back in, it won't get damaged. There, find the hole, put it back in, refill, and that should be as simple as that. So work is done. Time will tell if this resolves my problem, but based on everything else I've seen online, it will. Hopefully that solves your problem. And literally it took me longer to refill the washer fluid than it actually took to change the part. Super easy to do. Definitely worth the investment, and I'll stop wasting washer fluid. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.